How to add payment method on App Store using SIM card. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on the App Store using a SIM card. It's super easy and quick, so let's get started. First, let's open up the App Store on your phone. Once the App Store is open, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to go to your account settings. Tap on your account. Now simply go to payment settings and click on manage payments. Now here's where the magic happens. If you haven't added a payment method yet, tap on add payment method to begin the process. You'll be presented with several options for adding a payment method, including credit card, debit card, PayPal, and importantly for today's tutorial, adding your SIM card. To use your SIM card for payments, select the mobile phone billing option. This will allow you to add your phone number as a payment method, and charges will be billed directly to your mobile carrier. Now, make sure your carrier supports this feature. Most major carriers supports it, but if it's not available, you might not see this option. Once you select mobile phone billing, the App Store will ask you to confirm your phone number and enter the number linked to your SIM card, and you'll receive a confirmation text from your carrier. Just verify the number, and the system will automatically link your SIM card to your App Store account. And that's it. That's how you can simply add a SIM card as a payment method on the App Store.